building a part for my 3D printer, which is just sitting here. All bells and whistles going there. So I'm playing with the CR10. I've got to wait for another part to come in there to fix that. That can just, sorry about the noise. But I'm building this up and I've got a back bit here. I'm going to screw that onto the back, which I'll do now, and then we'll go and have a look. Okay, so I've just screwed in the screws. I've made sure this is nice and flush. I'll try and leave the file at the bottom so you know where to get it. And I've used some 4G 16mm screws for the back. And now I'll try and look at the front. So I picked up this small display, touchscreen display from GearBest. It wasn't very dear actually. I got it off Facebook, but I might leave a code below. And oh, it's pretty flash anyway. I'm going to screw these into the front. It's pretty much, that's about all that there is, and everything else seems to work quite nicely. And that sits up like that. Or in fact, I think it might actually go this way. Either way, I'll work it out later, but I'm thinking it's one or the other. I'm thinking the larger bit would be the bottom bit. Anyway, that just sits there, and that's the whole thing. Now on the back, there's a spot where I can put a fan, and I think that's what this mounting bracket on the back's for. Yeah, if anyone's got any ideas or comments, please leave them. And if you like this video and want to see more about the printer or the Ender, please leave some more comments below, and not just comments, some likes if you can. Yeah, I'm all over the shop today. I'm a bit tired really. It's been really hot here and it's really taken it out of me. Anyway, that's it from me. Talk to you soon. Bye.